So hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is just going to be first of all to get ready with me for my birthday. I'm going to be going out for a few drinks and food now, I think, with Craig, and then when we come home there'll be all my family here, a little party. I have a little bouncy castle, you know, a little bit of music speaker, you know. So basically right now I'm going to do a little bit of a glow up. I will not be leaving the house looking like this. I'm going to stick on some tan. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm wearing. I was meant to tan last night, but after work I just had no effort. So I'm thinking of wearing this little top. But it's just like, you know, with fresh tan and a white top, it's like, do you really want to go there? Like, I don't really want to go there. So it's kind of like, But I'm just going to tan first, basically. That's the very first thing we're going to do. So I will be back when I am tan and ready. I'm going to stick on the tan. Are coming out. So yeah, I'm just gonna fast forward now until the rest of me is done, and I'll see you guys then. So okay, so I'm back. I've tanned, you know, look at these hands. I didn't even care about, you know, like moisturizer or anything. I'm just like, get the tan on, I'm running out of time. So next I'm going to, I think, tweeze these random little eyebrow hairs and probably paint my nails. Like, I was gonna stick on my big long nails, but it's just like I struggled with them. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go and just pop on some brown nail polish. There's the before.
So here are my nails now.
Next, it's gonna be eyebrows and starting my makeup. Okay, so welcome back to a really close angle of my face. I think I'm gonna be brave and jump into this Morphe palette. It's mostly all browns and stuff. Okay, clearly not. It's showing all these other colors. But it's mostly browns, and that's like what I'm going for today. So girl, we're gonna start off. What am I doing? So I am going to use my Inglot eyeshadow, the white from Inglot, because I think it's the whitest. She gonna really get her hair. So going in with a really light shade of brown, I'm going to kind of, you know, carve it like that angle. Okay, shade darker again. I should probably use a much skinnier brush for this. But basically, like, my crease is this line here, but I'm trying to make it look much higher. Just keep going with this shape we've done. Who am I? Same on the other side. We're going to kind of, you know, cut the crease. Okay, so this is where we're at now. I just popped on some eyeliner, and next I'm just going to move on to foundation. I was planning something a lot more than this, okay? Let's just put that out there. This was meant to be, oh, hang on. Yeah, I was meant to do a lot more, but we're just leaving it like this, okay? So I'm going in with the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat foundation, which is on its way out. Oh guys, it's lashing rain and it's my birthday. Like it's actually like hence the lighting in here. It's actually dark outside. Like it's practically dark outside, and it's only 4 o'clock. The weather is so bad. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna pop back in with you guys when I'm nearly done. Okay, so this is where we are now. I don't normally bake, but I'm getting into it. But like seriously, it's like getting worse the more I just look out that window. Oh god, every video. Next is highlighter and eyelashes, which, you know, I think people like to see. So as I was saying before, my camera ran out of space for the like 500th time. I don't know what eyelashes I'm gonna wear. Oh, such a hard decision. I think I'm gonna go for fluffier and black, so I'm gonna go for these. God, the weather, guys. Oh, honey. Oh, that's for honey. What am I saying? Yeah, I'm gonna put these on, so I'll see you in a second. So the glue's on my eyelashes, and when my eyelashes get ready, I'm going to do my highlighter. Highlighter, where are you? I've seen Nikki tutorials. I think she actually literally only puts it here. She doesn't actually go up her cheek. I'm gonna try that for tonight. I already forgotten actually, you know, when to apply her, but you know, she literally goes over and over and over and over in the one spot. Like she actually uses a little brush and does like that, circles like this. So now that my eyelashes are on and this one's stabbing. But Jesus, my old eyelashes I've been using I think literally since Christmas. Like literally they needed to be gone. I needed new ones. So I picked up a nice pair. It was a birthday present from my mom. Oh god, I have to go over. Why did I say it like that? Why so dramatic? Like for someone who has so many makeup brushes, I still never have enough makeup brushes. Okay, so we're back and welcome back to my channel. Next is my lips, and then I am done my face, so I'm just gonna go and find my lipstick because I don't know where it is. So right now my bottom lip looks a bit, you know, much bigger. Going. I know the Shea Coulee kind of did this. I give it a go. She made hair darker and hair darker. Shea Coulee is a drag queen, by the way, for anyone who doesn't know, but like, you know, already it's given that like pout, which is weird because now I'd normally highlight like the center of my lips, but I'm going to kind of just like this. I don't know how to feel about it. I don't think I'm too much of a fan. I think we'll leave that at that. And next is my hair. Like I think I should put like brown under my eye. I think maybe I should. Oh, jogging's only gonna get easier. Why is that stuck in my head? Why am I doing this with my hands? Oh god, ew, so disgusting. Like why is this my neck? Like why? It's not feminine, girl. Do we like it? Do we like it? Do we like it? Okay, I'm gonna go take some pictures while the weather is still a bit bright at the moment. Rain has finally stopped, so I'll see you when I see you next. Okay, so hi guys, I'm back, and the last thing I need to do to get ready is do my hair. So I'm gonna stick in this ponytail. Whew. Do you want me to see now? Okay. Is this from you personally?
Yeah.
No, I don't, but I've seen them. They're little guinea pig salt and pepper things. That's cute, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's adorable. I don't know if I'm first. Oh, see, look. Oh no, that's okay. Oh my god, why are my hair clips not doing anything for me? And we're done. So I've got these boots on, got the long hair on. So I'm gonna go downstairs and I'll show you guys what downstairs looks like in a while, featuring my bathroom.